So you've got yourself a new switch? Let's find out what's inside the box. In this edition of Tech Talks, we'll unbox the Cisco Business 350 Series Smart Switch and show you some of its features. Next. Whether you need a basic high-performance network to connect employee computers or a solution to deliver data, voice, and video services, the Cisco 350 Business Series Switch offers a solution to meet a business's needs. Let's go over what's inside our box and what we need to get started. Inside our box, we'll find our Cisco Business 350 Series Switch, a power cord, the Quick Start Guide, the pointer card with China Rose and technical support contacts. To connect network devices, we need Category 5E or higher RJ45 Ethernet cables. On top of that, we need tools to mount our hardware. This should go without saying, but we also need a computer with Ethernet port and web browser access. The benefits of the 350 series switch are numerous. It's designed to be easy to use and manage by commercial customers or the partners that serve them. 350 series switches support dual images, allowing us to perform software upgrades without having to take the network offline or worry about the network going down during an upgrade. Flexibility comes standard. We'll get true stacking of as many as 4 switches, with all 4 functioning as a single device with unified management and control. Cisco Business 350 series switches provide the advanced security features that are needed to protect business data and keep unauthorized users off the network. Power over Ethernet is available with as many as 48 ports. On top of all those features, the Cisco Business 350 series switch also has network-wide automatic voice deployment, IPv6 support, advanced Layer 3 traffic management, power efficiency, and best of all, investment protection. Users can enjoy complimentary 1-year access to Cisco's Small Business Support Center, limited lifetime warranty, and next business day advanced replacement that keeps businesses running smoothly. It doesn't get much better than that. Thanks for watching this edition of Tech Talks. We'll see you next time.